Introduction. Cascading Style Sheets CSS is a style sheet language for HTML documents. CSS separates document content from presentation, influencing layout, colors, fonts. CSS validators test and validate CSS code for errors, deprecated elements, and web standards issues. CSS validators are essential tools for maintaining the quality and integrity of web pages. Why use a CSS validator? A CSS validator ensures websites align with web standards, working correctly across different browsers and devices. Validators find and fix overlooked errors, improving website quality. CSS validators can be learning tools for beginners, showing how to write clean and efficient CSS code. How to use a CSS validator. Input CSS code directly into the validator or provide the web page URL for validation. The validator checks the CSS code against current CSS specifications and returns a report detailing any errors or warnings. If syntax errors or deprecated elements are found, the validator suggests fixes. Regular validation, especially after substantial website changes, is recommended. Common errors and how to avoid them. Common mistakes include missing or extra brackets, incorrect property values, and using deprecated elements. Always double-check code for correct bracket usage. Ensure valid values are used for CSS properties by checking CSS specifications. Stay updated with the latest CSS specifications to avoid using deprecated elements. Tips and tricks. Use a CSS reset for consistent styles across different browsers. Comment your CSS code for better understanding and readability. Use shorthand properties for concise and efficient CSS code. Validate CSS code frequently to catch and fix errors early. Conclusion. CSS Validator is an essential tool for web developers and designers. It helps ensure CSS code validity. It serves as a great learning tool. Understanding and avoiding common errors and following best practices allows for clean, efficient CSS code that works well across different browsers and devices.